Sadly, this video is not clickbait. It's crazy how much better my hair looks on camera right now than what it actually looks like. It could be the ring light, so I'm gonna turn that down. Oh yeah, now you can see it, now you can see. Okay, look at what's happening here. So, if you've been following me for a while, you already know that my hair is naturally curly from the root to the tips. It is springy, it is thick, it is luscious. That's not what's happening right now. What's happening right now is my hair was terribly heat damaged. I'm gonna get into that a little bit later, but I just wanted to show you guys the condition and the state of my hair right now as it is. As you can see, it is, first of all, you can just see right through it. Secondly, you can see how stringy it is. You can see I have no curl at many pieces at the ends of my hair. No curl, completely straight. And that's damage, that's heat damage. And you can see how thin my hair is. Like, look at my hair. But, so yeah, I wanted to come and show you guys the condition of my hair. This is actually my hair looking its best because I have been working to repair my hair for the past 3 months. And it was way worse than this. I think I have some footage on it. If I do, I'll insert it somewhere in this video. I'm to the point, guys, where I think I'm gonna just have to cut this off. Look at this. This is my hair after being wet, after being conditioned, after it has conditioner in it. It has, look at my hair. But I was hoping to do a video to show you guys how I repaired my hair, and we haven't gotten there yet, girls. So I'm even considering just doing the big chop all over again. You guys tell me, because I could either do that or my only other option is to wear it straight. And you guys know that I am a curly girl. I don't know, this is such a hard decision. But anyway, let me finish showing you guys how it looks. So let me show you the ends of the hair. Yeah, that's pretty much the state of it. I'll turn the light back up. Maybe that can help just so you can see better, maybe. But there, so that is the, like, look at these stringy pieces. So what happened is, first of all, I can't even stand to look at my hair like this, so I'm gonna do a cold blowout, and I'll talk to you guys about it in a second. So the last point I was with this video was about 3 weeks ago, and I was just so frustrated, y'all. Like, I just could not record the rest of the video because my hair was just, okay? So I'm happy to say that my hair is coming back. Can y'all see it? Like, look at that. And the volume. Okay, so let me explain what happened anyway. So what happened is, I got a silk press, and that is what damaged my hair. Even one of you asked, I think Fran asked in one of my videos when I had the silk press, she was like, how do you get your hair so silky? And I don't know what made me think that my hair could withstand that, because my hair is so sensitive. I wasn't coerced, I was convinced that my hair could withstand that, and I was wrong, obviously. But I'm so happy that, so for the past 3 weeks, y'all, I have been doing intensive work on this hair. So I wanted to share with you guys just to save y'all some time, because before, I've been doing this for like 3.5 months at this point. So to save you guys some time, I wish someone had a video like this for me. So, all right, so Olaplex has a system. So let me just start from let me relax, first of all. So before I get into Olaplex, I was about to tell you guys about the Olaplex system. I've been using that since this very first happened to my hair. So what I did differently is, let me start with the first thing that I did. So I have a big bag of things right here. So the first thing that I did is I changed my shower head. I changed my shower head to this. I'll leave a link in the description box if you guys want to pick it up. I got it off Amazon. And it is a multifunctional handheld shower. Looks like this. And I got this because It says to promote healthy skin and hair, and it's infused with vitamin C. It removes all of the bad chemicals out of your water that's going into your hair. So it's going to remove chlorine, fluoride, all of the chemicals that could be damaging to your hair. So that was the first thing that I did, is I got me one of these shower heads, and this made a huge difference. And again, I've been doing this for the past 3 weeks now. And then after I started using this, I even started doing this with my son too. And then after I did this, like I told you guys, I was using the Olaplex system, and I was following all of the steps. I was doing 0, 3, and 5. So that is the Olaplex system. And what that does, if you've never heard of it before, is it repairs the bonds in your hair, and therefore improving your curl pattern and making the bond of your hair repair. And then, but it comes, like I said, in 0, 3, and 5. And I was noticing as I was using 0 was really making my hair very dry. I don't know if it has protein in it. I know that it's a strengthener. I don't know what's in 0, but I noticed that whenever I use 0, my hair kind of felt like straw-like, or just hay-like, just very crunchy. So I'm gonna show you guys the system that I use. Okay, so it came with, so I used this system. So this was the 0 I was telling you about, number 0. And then I followed up with their number 3. And then I followed up with the number 5. Now for the past 3 weeks, I have been skipping this step. As you can see, this is a brand new bottle. And I purchased it but never used it because I stopped. I only used these 2, but number 3, I don't know with number 3 what's in it, but I didn't use it as suggested. I'm not saying to follow what I did, I'm just telling you what I did, just in case. And so this told you to use it in your hair for 10 minutes or more. So I did and more, and more, and more. I left this in my hair probably for like 4 hours at a time, and I would put a cap over my head. And the way that I use this is because I have low porosity hair, I used it with a diffuser, a steamer, sorry. I used it with a steamer. So I would steam my hair, I would put this on, and then I would steam it again, and then I would put a shower cap on, and I would leave it on for at least 4 hours. And this is where I saw the most significant difference with number 3 as far as was in their system. And then after I did that, I followed up with number 5. And I did this maybe every other day, if not every day. But I was just really trying to get my hair back, and it worked. So in addition to this, I also used a brand that I never heard before. I was researching, I was looking everywhere online, and I saw this article, I think by either called Birdie, or maybe I'll leave it below if you're interested, but I should know the magazine because I was in the magazine for something that I did with my hair a while ago. It's called, The Zoe Report. It's the Zoe Report, and the girl used something called JVN to repair her hair. I'm so glad she left that particular interview for me to see, girl, because it worked so well. Let me show you what I used. I'm gonna keep checking this necklace here. This pendant is covering up a keloid or a hypertrophic scar or whatever. I have to get that removed. But anyway, so I used this JVN. It's all beat up because Amazon sent it with tape over it. And it just didn't transit well, but it's called Strengthening Shampoo, and it's called Undamaged. So the JVN Undamaged. I was so shocked how well this worked. I'm not a shampoo person. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know I'm not into shampoos, but this, thank God, okay? And then I would also do a intense hydrating mask, also by JVN. It looks like this. And I did this probably way more than I'm supposed to, probably way more than is recommended or suggested, whatever. I was just trying to get my curls back, okay? I was just, all right, so I used this probably maybe every 2 days, okay? And left it in overnight. It's fine. It worked. I know I still have a long way to go. I actually have a hair appointment tomorrow to get the ends trimmed because, I mean, it looks so much better. Look how much it has come back. Like, I am in shock, but it's still areas where I like a finger curl for pieces of my hair that is still damaged. I kind of want to give it a little more time, but I still feel like a trim would be great because when your hair is broken off, which I feel like my ends are probably broken off, that travels up to the root of your hair, and I don't need any more damage. I don't need any more damage, but I'm happy with where we are, girls. So this is where we are. I have a hair appointment in the morning. I think I'm gonna take the camera with me so you guys can see how my hair looks during and after the haircut. Let me make sure I'm not leaving anything out. Oh yeah, my avocado banana hair mask. You guys have heard me talk about this before if you're not new here, but what I did is I took avocado, banana, honey. I like to use Manuka honey, but I'm sure any honey would work. But honey, and I take that and I mix that with conditioner. I use that JVN leave-in conditioner, okay? I use that. This is my first time using the JVN line and I am so impressed. This video is not sponsored. I'm shocked that it worked that well. I'm usually a Shea Moisture girl. But so I use the JVN conditioner. You take it, you blend that all together. I'll leave like instructions in the description box so you guys can know how to follow along. I also have a video on it, so I'll make sure to link the video too. But I put that in my hair, I left it in my hair, and I did that also every day. And I know that seems excessive. I wish I could tell you guys that I did it like once a week or something like that, but that would be a lie. I just wanted to do the most that I could with my hair. And when I did that, I also steamed it into my hair because with low porosity hair, your shaft is closed. So you need heat or moisture in order to open that hair follicle. So I wanted to make sure that my hair was getting all the nutrients that it needed. So you don't have to worry about me ever getting a silk press ever again. I'm not even sure if I'm gonna straighten my hair for a good while, because my hair is, well, I'm really excited about where it is right now. It's not like as big as it typically is, even though it's getting there. I'm just really shocked about my curl pattern and everything, because if you guys saw, like when I was showing you the ends of my hair, I was showing you that my hair, even when wet, even with conditioner in it, it was not curling at all. It was just sad. I thought it was just gone completely. So I'm really happy about where I am. I'm just gonna keep on doing this. I'm gonna go get my hair cut tomorrow. I'm gonna trim the ends because I do feel like that my ends have split. But that's it, guys. If you have any questions for me, please send me a message or leave a comment in the comment section or send me a message on Instagram. My Instagram name is @a_beauty_beast. Are we hype or are we hype? I'm gonna show y'all. So this is the ends. Remember, this had no curl at all. So we're getting somewhere. And this is the ends on this side. Come closer. But yeah, I'm pumped. I'm happy I didn't give up. Don't always, because I was about to do the big chop again. And because it was looking like there was absolutely no light at the end of this tunnel. But please don't big chop your hair. So hopefully share this video with a friend if a friend has damaged hair, whatever. Just cause I was this close, y'all, this close. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.